Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Lime Bike for free. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are looking to ride a Lime Bike for free, what you can do is use promo codes for free rides. Lime frequently offers promo codes that can provide free or discounted rides. These codes are often available through various platforms like Retail Me Not, Don't Pay Full, and White Star. In order to redeem a promo code, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Lime app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, on your home screen you'll be seeing your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Simply tap on it, and then inside among the options you'll be seeing the option that says promos. Simply tap on that. Now inside promos, select add promo, and then next is to enter the promo code and then tap on save. Keep in mind that only one promo code can be applied per ride, so these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.